Hello, in front of me I've got RingConn 2. In this video I'll show you how to check your sleep data. In the beginning, let's go to RingConn 2 app and go to Insights. Enter sleep, and here you can check time asleep and sleep efficiency for today, yesterday and different days of the month. Also, you can select how do you feel waking up. You can check total time asleep, time in bed, sleep efficiency. You can check sleep stages, movement, awake, REM, light sleep, deep sleep percentage. You can check your heart rate while sleeping, HRVs, SpO2, percentage, skin temperature, respiratory rate. You can add naps and check your sleep summary. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.